Hey guys, this is Gaming Orbeolas here, and today I'm doing part 2 of my Pokemon fake mess up or fakes unboxing. And yeah, booster box unboxing. And if you didn't see part 1, go click on it. It will be somewhere around here. Okay, so Dad's in the room, so doesn't matter. Anyway, so here's another pack. Getting on to opening pack. Okay, so got a hollow here, and then nothing special here. This base video might be going. And I'm not gonna go one by one these cards, but okay. Moving on to next one. Oh,
Gardena.
can show all these ones. I'll go. Another hollow. Wow, a lot of hollows. Ninjas, hollow. Emoga. Warlord. Is that a good card? That's a good card.
Normally. Where do I put it?
Oh, put it with Garchomp. New card and last card. Roserade.
This is actually pretty good. So.
Next one. Hopefully I can next on this one.
You want to do the card trick?
This one's the dragon one. Another hollow Magmar. We've got a lot of hollow ones here, so. And all the other ones are on hollow. Roserade. Beefly.
There's another one flipped over.
Energy card and not special. Okay, you can open one pack. Here, take this one.
This one.
So yeah, I'll be doing this until 10 minutes, I guess. Okay. Hollow Swablu. Like that.
I got a doggy.
Okay. Silicone energy card. Marie. Magmar. I got the hollow one of this one. Cavite. Bufflin. Last card.
Oh, you got a hollow rare miniature.
Oh, I got that one before.
And this one, Hotch Crow.
I'll be bringing Giratina.
Giant Cape. Fighting Energy. Boltoy. Roserade. Butterfly. Beautyfly. Golett. And Swablu. Sorry if you can hear the stuff in the background.
So, hollow Gibble.
Nothing that special.
Hollow Swablu, this guy. I got a lot of Roserades in this pack. Beefly. Trainer. Energy card.
So far, one EX. That's horrible.
That's horrible, but I think they're
Try one over here.
No. I'll save those for later. I know I'll get more than one.
I'll try one.
No.
Yeah, no.
No. Just no. Okay? I'll save them for next time. Sorry, guys. And I'll put them in the car, maybe. Yeah. Another hollow? Is this a hollow?
Yeah.
Gosh. Hollow.
Another hollow.
Look
at its name. If it's shiny, is it special?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
One. Oh, yes, I got another EX.
How much?
That's the same thing as that one.
No, put it at the end.
I got the same thing as regular, so as last time.
That's
Rose Raid.
It's cool.
Sky.
That's
Yep.
special.
Just show me
and
what
not
really
that
fast.
special.
Okay. Next one. Wow, we're just going through these packs right
Patrick?
here. I'm gonna do it.
Once. Only do it once. 1, 2, 3. What? Okay.
Another hollow Magmar. I got the second one of that.
A magma.
Swablu.
Swablu. Swablu.
Rose Raid. Oh my god, another Rose Raid.
Oh my gosh. I know, right?
Red card.
There are a ton.
Beautifly. Yeah.
Beautify. And that. Okay.
This is a bear. Okay.
Yeah. All rares. Open a Giratina.
Okay, I'll open it here.
I mean, Gyarados.
Oh, Gyarados. I thought I get a Gyarados.
I got a Gyarados.
Oh yeah, he got a Gyarados.
Mhm.
Yeah, I
Pretty
am like gonna be making a Pokemon collector, but Electric Hollow.
Hello.
Oh, I got Gyarados.
Oh, you're welcome. So just you are welcome. I picked the one.
La
Rare.
Trainer. Yeah, you can pause this if you want. Let's do it really fast. Gibble. Lastly, not that good. But it's only 6 minutes that we opened a lot of packs. But this is basically part 2. If you're bored of this, it's not that good. But
Yeah.
I got another. Man, I got a lot of these EXs. I'm gonna do this one first. Same as always, EX.
Really? What is it?
I got 3 of those.
Wow.
A hollow.
And I got 2 of them. 2.
This one looks good.
And like 7 ho-ohs.
Oh, this one's a rare.
Let me see.
So
No, it
also
doesn't.
a rare.
Oh,
Okay,
it's not a rare.
it's a rare.
This one is a rare. This one, nope.
So
Nope.
many don't say same EXs, but I think there will be.
No. Pick
Whatever.
one. That one.
They're just doing a card trick thing. Basically. I got another Gyarados, but this time it's hollow. It's a hollow
Ooh,
Gyarados.
that's better.
Hollow
A
Gyarados.
hollow rare. That's so good. Hidalgo. Spectral Energy.
Just waiting basically. But
Makra.
I'm just doing this really fast because it's boring for the I think you guys.
Monferno. Another bird. And another bird. Pick one. That one. Same thing.
Oh man, I can't believe I got a hollow Gyarados. That's so awesome.
I know, right?
I'm pretty sure every pack has a lot of hollows actually.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
So shine.
Going around hollow silicone, which is
So
good.
shine.
You're
That
interested in
shines
that?
so bright. Cool.
A non-hollow silicone.
Cool.
card. Another leaf.
Energy, right?
Magmar.
Magmar.
Gabite.
What do you mean?
Buffalint.
Goodbye.
Gourd.
Oh, Buffalo.
Or Vorn.
Oh, I think Buffalo
That is
is
so
a rare.
many cards. Oh my. Oh wow. Okay guys,
Pick one.
this is
Oh.
cleared basically, but my brother has some more.
2 left. 1 left.
Oh yeah,
Rayquaza.
let's show you guys for the whole video here.
I'll give you a hint. This has either Ho-Oh. Ooh,
Oh,
Magikarp.
Magikarp. So blue. Zombie, whatever this guy is.
Zombie, what?
Rose Raid.
I think
Butterfly.
he's a big one of Hydreigon. Whatever. Hydreigon.
Trainer. Magikarp, and of course, I always get this guy for some reason.
Oh, Roserade?
This guy's retarded. Last one. This guy. I don't know his name. Comment down below if you know it. Right there.
Let me see. Rayquaza.
Oh, Rayquaza.
Obviously.
I don't even know his name and I have that card. It's a half card. Pretty cool. But I got a Hollow War. Sorry for my Chinese. Or my Chinese accent. I probably don't have it over. This guy. I'm looking really fast because I have a lot to go. Maybe one more aisle. Rose Raid. Sorry guys. Silicone. Energy card.
Cool. No, yeah,
And of
so
course. Sadly I got the hollow one.
what is it? Of course.
Okay, so basically,
That's fair.
that's the end of the aisle for the first one. I'll be starting the second one maybe today or later. But anyways,
Later.
if you guys enjoyed this video, I got a lot. So these are how much hollows there are.
And
three
3 of the
EXs so far.
same EXs.
And these are the rares.
Pretty disappointed.
And these
by
are
that.
all the bad ones. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, I'm a little sick. But anyways, I'll see you guys in part 3. So, bye.